Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. Kind of hesitant to make this video because this case is not even a spring color. I'm just really interested in checking this out. Bought this in October last year and I wasn't able to make a review. I feel like this is going to be a good time for me to review it since summer is coming. Denim has been released in the fall along with the other colors. Denim is such a famous name because we use it for our clothing. Naming it for an Apple case is very intriguing. I am really excited to feature this on my channel. Look at it, what it looks like, how it feels. I'll show you how it looks after using it for 6 months. If you guys are interested on the Denim Apple silicone case, just keep on watching. I remember I bought this along with one other color. I think it's the plum. I did review plum, but I didn't review this. Such a broad color that we need to look at it and see if it's also perfect for summer. Here is the Denim Apple silicone case. There is a covering in the bottom. The amazing camera control. Denim is a sturdy cotton twill fabric. It has a history rooted in both Europe and America. While the fabric's origins are debated, it's widely accepted that it emerged in Nimes, France, with weavers developing Serge de Nimes. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Twill from Nimes during the late 17th century. Simultaneously, Italian artisans in Genoa were producing a similar fabric, also favored by sailors, and this was called jean. The American story of denim begins with Levi Strauss, who brought the fabric from Europe to San Francisco in 1853. In 1873, Jacob Davis and Levi Strauss patented the riveted denim pants, which are now synonymous with jeans. Why did Apple name it as denim instead of jeans? Because denim is a name of color. Jeans is just pants, right? I have a case that is named Denim. It was a Casetify case and I was really happy on that case. There's an area where it's kind of transparent so you could see the skin, like a ripped jeans. That was really cool. Have researched the denim color palette. It says blue denim color palette. The color that we're looking at here is this second one, the number 24496B. And yeah, I feel like that's the color actually. It could also be the number 446D92 here, but for sure in an angle it looks like it's number 24496B. Definitely not number 071F35 because it's too dark. If you probably open this palette in a different resolution gadget, you might say that it's that first dark one, but on my phone right here, in between number 24496B and number 446D92. To be honest, I own a Levi Strauss pants, and if Levi Strauss is listening or watching this video, send me some stuff. Like every year actually, it's like a famous clothing that everyone just uses. It's really timeless. It's a variety of colors of denim, right? Like different washes, dark and light, and ripped, added furs in it, which is awesome to match your personal style. Love the feel of the Apple silicone case. Won't hesitate to use this in the summer even if it's in the darker side, just because it has its really relaxing color. Every time I review the Apple case, I always say that this is a very durable case. Use this for many years, I've never had an iPhone that cracked. Every time I have a new phone, I always attach a camera protector and screen protector to double protect it. There's nothing wrong in double protecting. The iPhone is expensive. Kind of nervous for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but we shall see. It matches perfectly on my Desert Titanium iPhone right here with the Desert Titanium camera protector. With this lighting also, it makes it a little bit like calming. Looking at the video on my camera right here, like I said, even if this is released in the fall, I feel like it's still worth using in the summer, especially when you're wearing this with another denim, which I'm gonna show you in a second. I changed for you guys. Here is our denim Apple case with our denim jackets. So there is an area right here that's definitely looking like this color, and I also have a denim pants right here. I hope I don't fall. Right here. Actually, I can see a pants right up here that looks like this color. Right here. This pants. It's a little bit. This one actually looks close. Levi's. We found the color of the pants that look like this color. Denim. The good thing about this case, it will definitely protect your phone. According to my experience, it did protect my iPhone. That's what we want for a case, right? Especially with Apple. Since they made the iPhone, they gotta make a very durable, stylish, classic silicone case for the beautiful, expensive iPhones. If you use this every day without changing to other cases, definitely in 1 year this will change color. I say that because I have seen it. It showed fading and discoloration, especially using it every day of that 1 year. My criteria for cases is a high lip in the screen, a high lip in the camera. Definitely this Apple case that I've used for years protected my iPhones. Even it's very durable and protective, it can easily get chipped when you drop it in a hard ground. With carpets, it's definitely gonna just bounce and not get cracked, hopefully. It depends of how your iPhone lands. That's why I always make sure that I have a screen protector and a camera protector. I switched this with other cases of the 19 other cases I have. The only problem, it gets smudgy. I will show you here. This is my Lumix camera right here, and Lumix camera actually catches smudges, so that's why I like to film on this camera too. So as you can see right here on this angle, you can definitely see some smudges right here in the bottom, right in this area, and some around here too. It is actually high. I have the casemate crossbody chain, and that crossbody chain has a like adapter that you put inside the case so that you can attach your chain, and we'll put this inside and it doesn't go through. Even if you think that that thing is down there, install our phone in here, it will not go down. You cannot accessorize it or add any wristlet or chain. If you have the iPhone wallet like I have right here, you have your accessory. But that's it though. A lot of us were so happy that they finally realized it needs a bottom. Like any other Apple silicone case is made of 55% recycled silicone material. And on the inside has a microfiber lining for even more protection. You're laying on a bed and it's so scratchy, you'll get scratched, right? So that's the same thing with an iPhone. If you put it in a scratchy or not really comfortable case, then it will get scratched or it will not be happy. So we want to make sure that our iPhone is happy. We have a camera control. That area right there has a sapphire crystal to a conductive layer to communicate finger movements to the camera control. I set it up for Apple Intelligence. There is also a built-in magnet in the back for easy MagSafe charging. Or even if you have a Qi charger. If you compare it to other cases, this case is very smooth. It also looks very professional. Professional should have an Apple silicone case. It's definitely stylish too, because we are very stylish. It protects your phone, but again, if you drop it, it will get chipped. If you use this for every day over 1 year, every day of that 1 year, definitely it will change color. But if you have other cases that you want to switch to so that this will last, then do that so that you'll be using this forever and ever. If you don't like cases that get smudgy, then just get the lighter one, because those ones doesn't get smudgy, at least in my experience. If you clean it, it will be alright. You can buy this case in the Apple store, or if you have a Best Buy, or you can order it on Amazon too. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in checking out the Denim Apple silicone case, which I'm actually loving right now. I definitely will wear this in the summer, even if it's a little bit dark. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!